Starlight, it's our lives in hindsight. And as I lay